which makes his strategy pretty obvious. Take out the resident Bob, then take over the auto factories. I thought for a moment. Can we protect the auto factories? Not a chance, Loki shrugged. 3 for now, drones and some miscellaneous roamers and mining equipment. Not much to work with. Mac had everything geared for a developing colony. He wasn't even working on a cohort. Should we just destroy them? Asked Isaac. I'd prefer not to. Otherwise they are dead in the water until another Bob gets there. And who is closest anyway? I looked up and thought, Hank's at P Iridity, a little under 11 light years. Tau Ceti and Vulcan are about 12. And of course Epsilon Iridini at 12.5. At least a decade for any help, no matter how you look at it. That's way too long to have a Brazilian wandering around the system making nasty. Well, what's he going to do? Loki looked around, palms up in an imploring gesture. He can't make more of him. He can't make movers to drop rocks on our colonies. He can't make weapons. I don't want to find out, I replied. Maybe he has a printer in his cargo hold. Maybe he gets hold of one of ours. Maybe he has plenty, and he just wanted to get rid of Mac, and I'm wrong about the other stuff. Well, that's the interesting thing, Isaac said. The missile that finally took out Mac's ship wasn't military grade, not by a long shot. And if the first missile had been military grade, there wouldn't have been anything left in the